Forgotten username recovery failed on BMO InvestorLine Fix. If you've ever forgotten your BMO InvestorLine username, you know how frustrating it can be. Most people try random guesses, but there is a clear, reliable way to recover it quickly. Step 1. Go to the BMO InvestorLine login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. You'll receive a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather verification details like your full name, account number, and recent account activity. BMO support can use these to confirm your identity and recover your username manually. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam and junk. Follow the instructions carefully and avoid multiple simultaneous recovery attempts, which can delay the process. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact BMO InvestorLine customer support directly. Provide your verification information and explain that previous recovery attempts didn't work. Their team will guide you securely through the next steps to regain access. Once your username is recovered, it's wise to enhance account security. Enable two-factor authentication and store your credentials in a secure password manager. This helps prevent future issues and keeps your investment data safe. By following these steps, you can regain access to BMO InvestorLine efficiently and resume managing your investments without interruptions. Forgetting your username is just a temporary hurdle that can be solved safely and quickly.